Hello everyone. We are Good to Excellence, a language training institute located in BTM Layout, Bangalore. We specialize in English language coaching and English proficiency test training like IELTS and PTE. To know more about or join us, call the phone numbers on the screen or visit goodtoexcellence.com. In the last lesson, we have seen that what is noun, what are the types of nouns. Now today's lesson is the extension of that is about singular and plural. When there are more than one persons, things, places, we need to use plural. For example, there are more than 100 schools in my city. You add s to make a plural. School, schools. Book, books. Tree, trees. Cities are becoming crowded. The word ends with y and you remove y and add ies. City, cities. Story, stories. Family, families. He loves buying watches. The word ends with ch and you add es to make plural. Watch, watches. Branch, branches. Catch, catches. How many classes a day do you have? When the word ends with s or ss, add es. Class, classes. Dress, dresses. Bus, buses. I need 10 more boxes to pack the things. The word here ends with x and you add es to make a plural. Box, boxes. Fox, foxes. 6 sixes. I will get mangoes from the market. The word ends with o and you add es to make a plural. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. I need more different types of brushes to paint this picture. The word ends with sh and you add es to make a plural. Brush, brushes. Dish, dishes. Flash, flashes. I fixed 4 shelves in my study. Here the word ends with f and you need to change f to v and add es to make plural. Shelf, shelves. Wolf, wolves. Thief, thieves. Here is a separate queue for men, women and senior citizen. Now it's an interesting thing. These are the words where spelling of the word changes. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. We get lots of information from internet. In the sentence, the noun is information. But we do not use a plural form of such words. They are called abstract nouns. They are the nouns for feelings, emotions, concepts or idea. Basically, we cannot physically touch, feel or count them. A few more examples are happiness, fun, time. Since we cannot count these nouns, we use these nouns in a singular form. What is the time? Have some fun. Now let's move to the other examples. Chief, chiefs. Video, videos. Zoo, zoos. Key, keys. We added only s to make a plural form of the word. Unlike the rule what we saw, where we changed f to v and added es, and for the word which ended with o, we added es. Why? If you notice, before f and o here, there is a vowel. Now what's the vowel? A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Hence, if a vowel comes before f or o, the rule of adding es does not apply. Here are a few more examples that do not change the form of the word. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Aircraft, aircraft. Think a few more examples to understand it. Now, following are the words which are always used in plural. Clothes, spectacles, goggles, shorts, scissors. Where are my goggles? These are the scissors. Please pause the video and attempt this exercise. When you have finished filling the blanks, you can continue the video to see your answers. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something today. If you like our video, do visit our social media. The links are in the description. If you have any suggestions for the topics, feel free to leave comments. Have a great day.